And this is my 1986 Plymouth Gran Fury, directly off the Netflix show Gotham. It was Gordan's car. .318, made to look like a police package car, but it is not. Interior's in nice shape. Overall, the car's not too bad, but as movie and TV show cars go, there is some stuff that was patched up. Most notably, there's some body rust there, and down the bottom of that door. But overall, not too bad. View of the driver's seat. Dash is in good shape. Does have a police speedometer in it. Problem is, they just want this to look good on film. Drive-wise, it's not too good. Brakes pulsate so bad, it feels like you're getting kicked in the bottom of the foot. The steering's a bit sloppy, and the rear of the car is what's kind of crappy. The rear suspension is very rusty. So I'll try to show you that. Now underneath here, get some light. Not the best view, but the leaf springs kind of resemble petrified wood. They're very saggy. It has quite a bit of rust on the rear suspension. And that's really the extent of the rust, not really anywhere else. But the shock mount on that side's actually breaking through, and it just all needs to be redone. So I'm going to be doing that. All new leaf springs, getting rid of the isolators with the shock mounts, new shocks, and a newer rear. This is a 7 1/4 rear with like 226 gears or something like that, which is awful. So I got a rear out of a Jeep Cherokee with 355 gears that'll be going into it. But there's some of the rust you can see. It's not really too bad, a repairable area, but hey, it is what it is.